Hello everyone, I am going to be showing you exactly how to do Soft Loc Bob in the color 1B. So unfortunately I did not show everything in the video that I used, so I ended up making this that just includes everything that I do. Right now I'm just showing you how I prep exactly the spring twist hair. So if you're new here or you're not new here and you've been watching my hair tutorials and my lock videos, you know that this is actually my third time doing this hairstyle. I do love it. It's probably one of my go-tos when I do a short hairstyle. But when I start my parting, of course, I do show y'all that I go ear to ear horizontally, and then I also go ear to ear vertically. After I did my back row, that's exactly when I did vertically. I needed this done ASAP, so I didn't actually do when I do my front parts first, and then go into doing the back. So right here, I'm just showing you guys exactly how I part the back of my head. I got to tell you, baby. Okay, boom, so I just finished the back of my head. And this actually is, I love locks because they're like low-key the quickest hairstyle to do. Like, even if you do kind of medium, smaller parts. But I didn't put boho in like the first four. I didn't want it to be super full. But in the front, I'm going to be doing more boho. But this is the back. Very cutesy. And remember, I'm going to be turning it into a ball. Okay, so this is officially the tutorial part of the video. So first, I'm going to start off doing a lock without a boho piece, and then I'm going to show you exactly how I do it with a boho piece. So first, I part off my section, put some gel on it, get it ready to braid, and then I put the lock through the crochet needle, and then set it aside. I braid down just a little bit, like maybe 6 times, just until how flat you want like your top to be. And then you're going to take the crochet needle and put it through one of the braids. As you can see, I did not braid all the way down. I just took it, pulled it through, and then finished the braid. Okay, so after finishing that braid, I'm just going to show you exactly how I do it with the boho piece. So far, this has been the easiest way for me and that I could comprehend on doing it on my own head. Of course, after I do this row, I'm going to show you exactly how I wrap the hair. So first, again, you're going to have your crochet needle and put the lock on. You're going to put some gel on your section, comb it out, and you're going to make sure that you braid down like once or twice, and then you're going to add your boho piece in. You're going to braid with that like 2 times to make sure it's secure, and pull out the boho piece part. After you do that, you're going to continue to braid down just a little bit, and you're going to add your lock in exactly how you did the first one. After that, again, you continue to just braid down. So first, I'm just going to wrap this one without the boho. Take the crochet hook, take your lock, put the hair through, and try to make sure you go where the braid is. You're gonna pull that through. Make one side longer than the other, the shorter side. It doesn't really matter how long it is, just don't leave it too short so that it could slip out. Put all that hair together and then wrap around. This is the edges one, so I'm not gonna go extremely tight. First, like around the hair, but make sure your hair isn't clumpier than when you wrap around. The best results come when it's kind of like just loosely getting wrapped around tightly. Make sure when you get to the bulk of that lock that you hold it down, so it's a little bit more seamless once you once you're finished. And then just keep going down. If you absolutely feel like you need it, you can use nail glue. But for me, since I know I'm going to put these in locks and the hair is long enough down, I'm not going to put any nail glue because I'm going to be looping the ends closer to my face. So there's no need to do so. And then just continue wrapping. So you can't wrap no more. If your hair isn't long, of course you can cut the hair in half, or you can actually buy the shorter packages of the spring twist hair. So yeah, that's the first one. It's a little bulky, but it's okay. That's exactly what I said. I buy a different hair. So this one right here is with the boho. So now you're gonna take rinse twist again the hair again. Take the crochet lock, put it through, try to be where the braid is. So then once you're done, it's not gonna be super hard to move your hair how you want to. I do like side parts mostly with this hairstyle. Make one side longer than the other. Take all the hair, including the boho hair, and wrap around. Wrap around 2 to 3 times around the root before going down. Just for more security. Continue to go down, continue to go down. As soon as you feel like you got to where the boho lock comes out, or not, you just let go, pull it upwards, just kind of out the way, and continue wrapping and doing the same process.
Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you exactly how I end up making it a bob. So as you can see, all I did was just pull up the braid to where I was going to start wrapping, and then all I got to do is wrap down. Don't leave too much space at the bottom or your loop is going to look really big at the bottom, but once you get close enough, pull it just to make it a little bit tighter and then start wrapping upwards. Once you start wrapping upwards and you get to the end, you're going to grab a rubber band and then you're just going to rubber band that end down. Don't just stay where the end is. Rubber band up, down, just secure it.